Good morning students. Now let's continue with the analytical paragraph. In the previous class I had taught you about the ways how to write the analytical paragraph, the format of the paragraph as well as the points that you have to remember while writing the analytical paragraph. Now we shall discuss some of the questions related to the analytical paragraph. Now here it is the chart shows the division of household tasks by gender in Great Britain. Write an analytical paragraph describing the chart given in not more than 200 words. So, what is given in the chart? First of all, आपको क्या देखना है कि चार्ट किसके बारे में है? किस बारे में है? Division of household work by the gender. Gender means probably husband and wife. How they are dividing the household work and where it is in Great Britain. Now, what is shown on the x-axis and what is shown on the y-axis? On x-axis you will find the various works which are done, and on y-axis you will find the number of minutes per person per day which are being spent in doing those works. Okay, and the red graph denotes males and blue graph denotes females. Okay, now what is given over here? First of all, cooking, baking, washing up. In those tasks, who is spending more of the time? The females. Then cleaning on house, tidying also, the females are spending more time. Gardening and pet care. Now here the time spent is more by the males. Then care of children and play, the more time is spent by the females. And the maintenance and odd jobs. Maintenance and odd jobs, more time is spent by the males. And on clothes washing, ironing and sewing, of course more time is spent by the females. Clear? So now how we can interpret this chart? सबसे पहले अपने को क्या देना होता है? इंट्रोडक्शन. तो इंट्रोडक्शन में हम क्या देंगे कि ये चार्ट किस बारे में है. डायरेक्ट वही सेंटेंस आएगा, like you can say that this chart shows the number of minutes per day spent by British men and women in their household tasks. Okay, and you can say that on an average the women spend about 4 hours doing household tasks, whereas the men spend less than 2.5 hours for doing the household tasks. So how it is being it can be seen that female they spend more almost 4 hours, and the males they spend more than 2.5 hours. So, and the tasks on which women spend more time than men include cooking, cleaning house, taking care of the children and laundry. अब ये सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में बॉडी में आ जाएगा कि women किस में ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करती हैं और men किस में कम स्पेंड करते हैं. In doing all these tasks, women spend approximately 200 minutes, which is almost 3 times the time spent by men in these tasks. On the other hand, men spend twice the time than women in doing tasks like gardening and maintenance of odd jobs in the house. Men spend the highest time, almost 50 minutes, in gardening and pet care, while the women spend only 30 minutes for these tasks. So if you look at this graph, you can see for the gardening and for the pet care, who is spending more time? The men. Men mostly spend 50 minutes and women hardly spend 20 to 30 minutes. The time spent by men in washing, ironing and sewing clothes is as low as 2 minutes per day, as opposed to 25 minutes spent by women. In short, so now at last how you will end up? You will say, in short, women spend far more time doing household chores than men, whilst men prefer to do gardening, pet care and maintaining odd jobs. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू डू इट. समझ आ गया कैसे करना है. पहले इंट्रोडक्शन देना है. अब ये क्या था इसके अंदर, कंपैरिजन था दो जेंडर्स के बीच में, मेल और फीमेल में कौन सा काम कौन ज़्यादा करता है और कौन सा काम कौन कम करता है. ठीक है. सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में हमने कंपैरिजन कर दिया और थर्ड पैराग्राफ में हमने कंक्लूजन दे दिया कि विमेन ज़्यादातर हाउस होल्ड कोर्स करना पसंद ज़्यादा करती हैं और मेन जो है वो आउटडोर वर्क्स करना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ विल सी अनदर ग्राफ. The pie chart shows the proportion of people from different households living in poverty in the UK in 2002. Write an analytical paragraph to describe the information in 100 to 120 words. Proportion of people from each household type living in poverty. Here this percentage is given. Single age person 7%, aged couple 5%, single without children 24%, then couple without children 9%, then sole parents 26%, couple with children 15%, and overall all households is given 14%. अब इस पाई चार्ट को आप क्या इंटरप्रेट करोगे. सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन क्या दोगे, दैट दिस पाई चार्ट डिपिक्ट्स द proportion of the people from different households living in poverty in the country of UK. Same way it has been started. The given pie chart illustrates 7 different categories of households living in poverty in the UK in 2002. It is clearly evident from the pie chart that 26% of the total poverty-stricken households are those of sole parents. Single people without children account for the second highest proportion with 24%. In contrast to couples without children, that accounts for just 9%. Couples with children account for 15% of the poor households. Single aged persons and aged couples proportion for 12% together for poor household. तो इसमें हमने सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में पूरा उसको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. उसमें जो जो परसेंटेज दे रखा था कि कौन कितना है परसेंटेज जो है वो पॉवर्टी स्ट्रिकन आ रहा है. ठीक है. देन now the conclusion. Overall 14% of all households in the UK were living under poverty. The younger generation had a greater poor percentage than their aged counterparts. Couples without children had better economic condition than those with children. So this is how you have to write, you have to interpret these graphs. Now two graphs I have already explained to you. Now rest we shall be doing tomorrow.